Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, smartest and quickest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana and today we are going to learn the most commonly used words in Hindi.
Namaste. Hello.
So our first word is Namaste. So this is a very courteous way of saying hello in Hindi. So whenever we want to greet someone in Hindi, we just fold our hands and say Namaste, which means hello in English.
Suprabhat. Good morning.
Moving on to the next word, which is Suprabhat, which means good morning.
Shubh Ratri. Good night.
Shubh Ratri, which means good night.
Shubh Sandhya. Good evening.
Shubh Sandhya, which means good evening.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
Moving on to the next set of words, which is आपका नाम क्या है, which means in English, what is your name?
मैं हूँ. I am.
So to reply to this question, we can always answer like मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. My name is Anuj Khurana.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you.
आपको मिलके खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you.
आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
So our next set of words is asking someone that how they are doing. आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
जी मैं ठीक हूँ. और आप? I'm fine. Thanks. And you?
So to reply to this question, we can always answer like मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. Thank you.
कृपया. Please.
कृपया, which means please. Whenever we are requesting someone, we always use this word कृपया. कृपया आप मुझे अपना पेन दे दीजिए. Please give me your pen. So always remember, कृपया is a very courteous way of saying please.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Our next word is thank you. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद आपने मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया. Thank you for inviting me here.
कोई बात नहीं. You're welcome.
कोई बात नहीं, which means you're welcome. So whenever someone is saying thank you to us, like धन्यवाद in Hindi, we can always address them like कोई बात नहीं. You're welcome.
हाँ. Yes.
So the next word is हाँ, which means yes. हाँ मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. Yes, my name is Anuj Khurana.
नहीं. No.
So opposite to yes, the next word is no. नहीं. नहीं, मैं आज डिनर नहीं खाऊंगा. No, I'm not going to have dinner tonight.
ठीक है. Okay.
ठीक है, which means okay in English. ठीक है, आज आप थोड़ा लेट आ जाना. Okay, you can come a bit late today. मुझे माफ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. मुझे माफ कीजिएगा, which means excuse me.
मुझे क्षमा करें. I'm sorry.
मुझे क्षमा करें, which means please forgive me. मुझे क्षमा करें, आज मैं थोड़ा लेट हूँ. Please forgive me, I'm a bit late today.
शौचालय कहाँ है? Where is the restroom?
शौचालय कहाँ है, which means where is the restroom.
एक मिनट रुकिए. Wait a moment.
Our next set of words are एक मिनट रुकिए, which means wait a moment. एक मिनट रुकिए, मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ. Wait a moment, I'll be back.
यह कितने का है? How much is this?
यह कितना है? How much is it? It is like asking someone like, how much is this? How much is this number? यह कितना है?
क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Can I get the check, please?
क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Which means, can I get the check, please?
बधाई हो. Congratulations.
बधाई हो, which means congratulations. बधाई हो, आप हिंदी पॉड 101 से हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. Congratulations, you are learning Hindi from hindipod101.com.
फिर मिलेंगे. See you later.
फिर मिलेंगे, which means see you again. अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. Take care. Coming to the end of this lesson, so our next word is अपना ध्यान रखिएगा, which means take care.
Alvida. Goodbye.
So the last word for this lesson is अलविदा, goodbye. अलविदा, हम जल्द ही मिलेंगे. Goodbye, we're gonna meet again. So that's all from today's lesson, and I hope you all enjoyed learning these new words, which are quite easy, and these are the words which are most commonly used in Hindi. I hope you liked our video, and if you did so, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, which is hindipod101.com. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back with few more Hindi lessons to make you learn Hindi while you are sitting at home. Goodbye, take care. What's up everyone? Welcome back to hindipod101.com, the easiest, quickest and smartest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana, and today we are going to learn 10 questions you should know how to answer in Hindi. The most commonly asked questions in Hindi we are going to learn today.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
So to begin with, the first question is, आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Which means, what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? And to answer this question, we can answer it like, मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. My name is Anuj Khurana.
आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
So the next question is, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? And we can answer this question like, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm absolutely fine. So the question was, आप कैसे हैं?
आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from?
So the next question is, आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Which means, where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं? We can answer it like, I am from Mumbai. मैं मुंबई से हूँ. आप कहाँ से हैं? To answer, I am from Mumbai.
आपका जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday?
Moving on to our next question, which is, आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? When is your birthday? आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? You can answer it like, my birthday is on 1st January. मेरा जन्मदिन 1st जनवरी को होता है.
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live?
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? To answer this, we can answer it like, I live in India. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर रहते हैं? Which means, where do you live?
तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work?
Another question which comes up is, आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? To answer this, wherever we work, we can just answer it like, I work at XYZ office. मैं XYZ ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं?
आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Hindi from?
Okay, so the next question is आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? From where have you learned Hindi? Well, I think to answer this, it's quite simple. You can answer it like मैंने हिंदी hindipod101.com से सीखी है. I've learned Hindi from hindipod101.com. आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Which means from where you have learned Hindi.
क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten already?
Okay. So the next question is क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten your food? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? So you can answer it like yes, I just ate my food. जी हाँ, मैंने बस अभी अपना खाना खत्म किया है.
क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food?
Next question you might come across is क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food? Well, to answer this, my answer will be quite simple. I just love Indian food, so I can just simply answer मुझे भारतीय खाना बहुत पसंद है. I just love Indian food.
क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever been to India?
So the next question which a lot of Hindi speaking people might ask you, क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever visited India? To answer this, you can just simply say yes or no, however you feel. So the yes means हाँ, no means no, and accordingly you can answer this question. So that's all from today's lesson. I hope you have learned a lot of answers to the most commonly used questions which you might come across in Hindi. If you liked our video, please click on the like button and please subscribe to our channel which is hindipod101.com. If you have any kind of feedback, any kind of suggestions, you can just write it down in the comment section. And also visit our website which is www.hindipod101.com. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Namaste and welcome to HindiPod101.com. I'm Anuj Khurana and I'm back with yet another Hindi lesson for you all. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn 20 phrases which are must know if you are traveling. So let's begin. क्या मुझे एक नक्शा मिल सकता है? Can I get a map? क्या मुझे एक नक्शा मिल सकता है? Can I get a map? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Okay, so the another phrase is क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Which means do you speak English? क्या हवाई अड्डे से शहर के लिए कोई बस सेवा है? Is there any bus service from airport to city? Okay, so another phrase is क्या हवाई अड्डे से शहर के लिए कोई बस सेवा है? Is there any bus service from airport to city? क्या वाईफाई मुफ्त है? Is Wi-Fi free here? Another interesting phrase which you should know is क्या वाईफाई मुफ्त है? Is Wi-Fi free here? क्या वाईफाई मुफ्त है? Is Wi-Fi free here? क्या आपके पास आज रात के लिए एक खाली कमरा है? Do you have a vacant room for tonight? Okay. Another phrase is क्या आपके पास आज रात के लिए एक खाली कमरा है? Do you have a vacant room for tonight? क्या मैं अपना कमरा बदल सकता हूँ? Can I change my room? Another interesting phrase if you're not liking your room, so then it can be क्या मैं अपना कमरा बदल सकता हूँ? Can I change my room? मैंने अपना reservation करवाया था. I did my reservations. Okay, so this is important and in today's world, you might need this a lot. मैंने अपना रिजर्वेशन करवाया था. मैंने अपना रिजर्वेशन करवाया था. I did my reservations. क्या मुझे मेन्यू मिल सकता है? Can I get the menu please? Another interesting one if you're visiting a restaurant. क्या मुझे मेन्यू मिल सकता है? Can I get the menu please? So this is the way of asking suggestions. आपकी राय में सबसे अच्छा क्या है? Do you have any recommendations? Okay, so if you're looking for recommendations, then this is the phrase for you. आपकी राय में सबसे अच्छा क्या है? Do you have any recommendations? क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Can I get a check please? Okay. Another phrase is क्या मुझे चेक मिल सकता है? Can I get a check please? मुझे मूंगफली से एलर्जी है. I'm allergic to peanuts. So if you're allergic to anything, you can just use this phrase. मुझे dash the thing which you're allergic to से एलर्जी है. For say you are allergic to peanuts, then you can say it. मुझे peanuts से एलर्जी है. कृपया पानी दें. Please give me some water. Another phrase is कृपया पानी दें. Please give me some water. यह कितने का है? How much is it for? If you want to ask someone that how much it is for, then the phrase is यह कितने का है? यह कितने का है? How much is it for? मैं ये 10 लेना पसंद करूंगा. I would like to have 10 of these. If you like something and you want that in numbers, then this is the phrase for you. मैं ये 10 लेना पसंद करूंगा. I would like to have 10 of these. यह मुझे पसंद है. I like it. If you like something, then this is the phrase. यह मुझे पसंद है. I like it. क्या आप मुझे थोड़ी छूट दे सकते हैं? Can you give me some discount? Okay, so it happens a lot here in India. People give you discounts. So if you want to ask for that, क्या आप मुझे थोड़ी छूट दे सकते हैं? Can you give me some discount? Learn this phrase. This will be helpful for you for your India visit, for sure. क्या मैं क्रेडिट कार्ड से भुगतान कर सकता हूँ? Can I make the payments by using my credit card? Okay, if you want to just inquire that if you can make the payment using your credit card, then this is the phrase. क्या मैं क्रेडिट कार्ड से भुगतान कर सकता हूँ? Can I make the payments by using my credit card? रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ है? Where is the railway station? If you want to inquire about the railway station, then रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ है? Where is the railway station? माफ करना, कितना फेयर है? Excuse me, what is the fare amount? Okay, if you want to inquire about the fare, then माफ करना, कितना फेयर है? Excuse me, what is the fare amount? क्या आप मेरी एक तस्वीर खींच सकते हैं? Can you please take a picture of mine? Okay, so if you want to ask favor from someone that if they come and click your picture, then this is the phrase. क्या आप मेरी एक तस्वीर खींच सकते हैं? Can you please take a picture of mine? So these were the phrases which will be definitely helpful for you if you are visiting India. I hope you learned these phrases and enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of suggestions, please leave your valuable comments or feedback in the comment section. And also like our channel, which is HindiPod 101. You can also visit our website, which is hindipod101.com, and you can find many such videos over there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with more videos. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye. Take care. Namaste.
You are at a bus terminal where you're attempting to buy a ticket from a ticket counter. There are 4 different counters. Which counter should you line up at to go to the south side of the city? Which counter should you line up at to go to the south side of the city? The third counter is the counter for bus tickets that go to the south side of the city.
शहर के दक्षिण की तरफ.
You are at a bus terminal where you've just bought a long-distance ticket. Which row and seat number are you in? Which row and seat number are you in? The ticket says that you're in the 8th row in seat C.
8वीं पंक्ति, सीट C.
You are at a bus terminal where you're reading the schedule for long-distance buses. On which days are there no buses running? On which days are there no buses running? There are no buses running on public holidays and the third Sunday of every month.
सार्वजनिक छुट्टियों हर महीने के तीसरे रविवार को.
You are at a bus terminal where you're waiting for the 3:01 bus. There is a notice posted on the bus timetable. What does the notice say? What does the notice say? The notice reads, "The 301 bus does not stop here."
301 नंबर बस यहाँ नहीं रुकती.
You just got off a bus at a bus terminal and you're looking to catch a taxi. Which direction should you go to get to the taxi rank? Which direction should you go to get to the taxi rank? You should head east to get to the taxi rank.
पूर्व.
Namaste, welcome to HindiPod101.com, the easiest, quickest, and smartest way to learn Hindi online. My name is Anuj Khurana, and today we are going to discuss 25 verbs in Hindi. So let's begin.
होना, to be.
So first verb is hona, which means to be. आप कहाँ पर हो? Where are you?
के पास होना, to have.
Our next verb is के पास होना, आपके पास होना, which means to have. मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है. I have a pet dog.
करना, to do.
Our next verb is करना, which means to do. चलो मिलके जॉगिंग करते हैं. Come on, let's do jogging together.
बोलना, to say.
Our next verb is बोलना, which means to say. राहुल ने क्या बोला? What did राहुल say?
समझाना, to explain.
समझाना, which means to explain. क्या आपने अपने दादाजी को समझाया? Did you explain it to your grandfather?
सुनना, to hear.
Our next verb is सुनना, which means to hear. क्या आपने वो आवाज सुनी? Did you hear that sound?
जाना, to go.
Our next verb is जाना, जाना, which means to go. सुमन स्कूल जाएगी. Suman will go to school.
जानना, to know.
Okay, so moving on, our next verb is जानना, जानना, which means to know. क्या आप फ्रेंच जानते हैं? Do you know French?
लेना, to take.
लेना, which means to take. नीतिका अपने साथ अपने कुत्ते को लेकर गई. Nitika has taken her dog along with her.
देखना, to see.
Next verb is देखना, which means to see. रोहन एक फिल्म देखने गया है. Rohan has gone to watch a movie.
आना, to come.
Okay, so our next verb is आना, which means to come. आज महिमा आएंगी. Today, Mahima will come.
सोचना, to think.
Our next verb is सोचना, which means to think. मैं आपको सोचकर बताता हूँ. Let me think and I'll get back to you.
देखना, to look.
Our next word is देखना, which means to see. यहाँ से सारा शहर दिखाई देता है. We can see the whole city from here.
चाहना, to want.
Next verb is चाहना, to want. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have?
देना, to give.
देना, देना which means to give. मुझे वो फाइल दे दीजिए. Please hand over that file to me. Or please give that file to me.
इस्तेमाल करना, to use.
Our next verb is इस्तेमाल करना, which means to use. मेरी दादी को कंप्यूटर इस्तेमाल करना आता है. My grandmother knows how to use computer.
ढूंढना, to find.
Next verb is ढूंढना, to find. मानव अपना फोन ढूंढ रहा है. मानव is looking for his phone.
बताना, to tell.
बताना, which means to tell. मुझे वो कहानी दोबारा से बताना. Please tell me that story again.
पूछना, to ask.
पूछना, पूछना, which means to ask. मुझे आपसे कुछ पूछना है. I want to ask you something.
काम करना, to work.
Our next verb is काम करना, which means to work. राम काम कर रहा है. Ram is working.
लगना, to seem.
लगना, to seem. दीवारों पर यह रंग काफी गूढ़ा लग रहा है. This color seems to be very dark on the walls. So we are going to discuss the same word again because it can be taken in different context also. So lagna can be taken as are you feeling it? Lagna is the Hindi verb which can be taken as to feel. क्या आपको गर्मी लग रही है? Are you feeling hot here? So lagna can be taken in two different ways.
कोशिश करना, to try.
कोशिश करना which means to try. मैं पढ़ाई करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to study.
निकलना, to leave.
Our next verb is निकलना which means to leave. वो अभी घर से निकला है. He has just left from home.
बुलाना, to call out.
Our next verb is बुलाना which means to call out. तुम्हारी मम्मी तुम्हें बुला रही हैं. Your mom is calling out for you.
समझना, to understand.
So next verb is समझना, to understand. मुझे फारसी समझ नहीं आती. I do not understand Farsi. So that's all from today's lesson. So these were the verbs which are most commonly used in Hindi and they're gonna help you a lot to understand others what they are saying. I hope you have enjoyed our video and if you did so, please click on the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel which is hindipod101.com. If there's any kind of feedback or any comments you want to leave, you can just write them down in the comments section. I will be back with more videos. Till then, you can also visit to our website which is www.hindipod101.com. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care. What's up everyone? This is Anuj from HindiPod 101, the easiest, smartest and the most fun way of learning Hindi online. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 phrases which will help you in case of an emergency. So let's begin. जल्दी से पुलिस को बुलाओ. Call the police immediately. जल्दी से पुलिस को बुलाओ. जल्दी से पुलिस को बुलाओ. Call the police immediately. If you're in such sort of situation where you need the help of the police, you need to use this. जल्दी से पुलिस को बुलाओ. क्या आपको बुखार है? Do you have a fever? Next phrase is क्या आपको बुखार है? क्या आपको बुखार है? Do you have a fever? Bukhar is fever. So if you want to ask someone whether the person is sick, then you can ask this. क्या आपको बुखार है? मेरा पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया है. I have lost my passport. This can be a scary situation. मेरा पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया है. मेरा पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया है. I have lost my passport. I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if you're in India and you have lost your passport, then this will be the way to convey this to someone who doesn't understand your language. मेरा पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया है. I have lost my passport. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ गलत खा लिया है. I think I have eaten something bad. Okay, if you have a stomach upset by eating local food, then you can use this. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ गलत खा लिया है. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ गलत खा लिया है. I think I have eaten something bad. Well, if your stomach is not adaptive to spicy food, oily food, this might happen to you when you are traveling to India. मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. I need a doctor. Another phrase is मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. मुझे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. I need the help of a doctor. If you're sick or you need any kind of medication, you can use this phrase. मैं अपने होटल जाने का रास्ता भूल गया हूँ. I've lost the way to go back to my hotel. Okay, if you have lost the way to your hotel, then this is the way to convey it to someone else. मैं अपने होटल जाने का रास्ता भूल गया हूँ. मैं अपने होटल जाने का रास्ता भूल गया हूँ. I've lost the way to go back to my hotel. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Another phrase is क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? If you're stuck somewhere and need someone's help, you need to say क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? मैं खो गया हूँ. I'm lost. If you're lost, then this is the phrase. मैं खो गया हूँ. मैं खो गया हूँ. I'm lost. Simple, but it will be effective if you are lost in a foreign country. मुझे एम्बुलेंस चाहिए. I need an ambulance. मुझे एम्बुलेंस चाहिए. I need an ambulance. मुझे एम्बुलेंस चाहिए. I need an ambulance. मुझे चोट लग गई है. I have injured myself. Another phrase is मुझे चोट लग गई है. मुझे चोट लग गई है. I have injured myself. If you have met an accident unfortunately or anything has happened to you, then you need to use this sentence. मुझे चोट लग गई है. Well, these were the phrases which you can use in case of an emergency. They will be helpful, but I wish you don't have to face any sort of situation where you need these phrases. That's all from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned new phrases. If you have any sort of comments, any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be back with more such videos. Till then, stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Namaste.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to HindiPod101.com. I'm Anuj Khurana, and today we are going to learn how you can respond if someone asks you that, how are you? So let's begin. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm fine. Or another way is मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm okay. How about you? मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. So if you ask someone that how they are doing and if they reply मैं ठीक हूँ, so to answer to this, if you are also doing good, it can be मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I'm also good. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I am also good. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. This is a different sentence which we can use. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. If someone asks you how are you and if you're not feeling good, then you can reply to it like this. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? Okay, so another way of asking someone is that how are you is हाल ही में आप कैसे हैं? How are you doing recently? मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. Or another way to reply to this is मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. मैं बढ़िया हूँ. I'm okay. Or I'm doing great. मैं बढ़िया हूँ. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. So if someone asks you how you're doing and if you want to thank you them, so you can reply to them like this. पूछने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for asking. This can be used in context of replying or appreciating to them that they have asked you about your wellness and you want to thank them. Dhanyavad. Thank you. If someone asks you that how you are doing and you want to reply to them by thanking them, so you can just say Dhanyavad. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Or aap. And you? So if someone asks you how are you, and if you want to ask them in the same way in Hindi, so you can say aur aap, and you, aur aap, and you. Okay, so these are the different kind of replies which you can use or which you can answer someone if someone asks you that how you are doing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Kindly subscribe to our channel, which is Hindi Pod 101. You can also visit our website, which is hindipod101.com, and you can find many more such videos over there. I'll be back with many more such video lessons. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.